Did you know that we offer the best warranty in town? Peace of mind is an important part of ownership. And what gives you more peace of mind than a warranty that covers factors outside of your control? What sets us apart here at Don McGill Collision Center is we go the extra mile. Not only is our labor and paint covered for life of ownership, but we even take it a step further and cover every part installed on your vehicle. And guess what? We don't only work on Toyotas. Our technicians are I-CAR certified, and we work with most makes and models. And that best warranty coverage in town extends to every vehicle we work on here at Don McGill Collision Center. You have an insurance claim? No problem. We work with all insurance companies, including partnerships with AAA, Allstate, Amica, and State Farm. Unsure if you want to file an insurance claim? No problem. We offer quick and free estimates. With a comfortable pay over time option and the guarantee of the best warranty coverage in town, we want to be the body shop of your choice. Come see us at I-10 in Kirkwood.
Where the deals are good, I